Hey guys, welcome back to another backyard special. So it's been a while since I did any updates for you guys, but just checking it out or letting you guys know that this is the new project I'm working on. I actually traded my OCC bike for it. Um, it was pretty bad. All the plastics are over there. They're all messed up and stuff. I mean, look, this thing fell off. Damn kids. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little trick I learned recently. I'll show you some videos of I'm working on this and stuff. It's gonna be a long time actually, but I just wanted to show you this real quick because I was gonna do it right now. So I got these. So I took off the exhaust. Right, the exhaust is down there. It's all rusty and stuff. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this little trick. Sorry, the fans are here. See, gotta keep cool. It's freaking hot right now. So I got all these bolts and nuts and stuff that came from the motor, and these long ones are from the casing, from the plastic piece. Don't worry about that. And what the hell is that thing in there? I'll put that to the side. I think that was from the float. But a little trick I found out, so so I hurry up and talk to you guys, is this stuff right here. All natural distilled white vinegar, 5% acidity. So you guys probably know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna show you guys right now anyways. So it's a pretty good, this white vinegar is really good at taking rust and gunk off parts. All you need is to kind of fill it over, like I say, a little bit over the parts, just a little bit, because it kind of evaporates a little bit. So, and then that's pretty much it. I mean, it does really good stuff. Honestly, it does work. I mean, look, you can already tell all the shit coming off of it. Nah, I'm just messing. It doesn't work that fast. But I recommend putting a top over it, so it kind of like stay in there. I'm gonna put a little, the plastic cover for this Tupperware thing I'm using. But that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys how this is working, and I'll come back and I guess tomorrow and check it out, and I'll finish recording. Alright guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back again to check on the result of the vinegar, the distilled vinegar on these rusty nuts and bolts. So I couldn't, like in what I was talking about earlier, I can't find the lid, so I got this saw blade thing with this box of Allen wrenches. I put a piece of tape because it has a hole in it, for the machine. So I put that to the side. So I wanted to show you guys. Look, all that crap, all that crud came off the parts. See? That yuckiness. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna empty this out, fill it with water, wash all the parts off real good, and then I'll show you guys how they came out. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have you guys on the tripod because I can't do it with two hands. I can't do it with one hand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe them off with a rag, and then if I need to, I'll use this steel brush. So I'm gonna wipe each one of them off with the rag. See how clean they got. So I'm gonna do these long ones first. I can already tell already how clean they got, honestly. I mean, from before they look pretty bad. This one came out really good. Look at that. It was like completely rusted almost before. So okay, this one didn't go so well. There's still some rust on it. But I mean, it is coming off, so that's pretty good. So maybe with the wire brush, maybe it'll just flake off. So do that one. See, we got this one. This one came out really clean too. Jeez. So this little trick with the distilled vinegar, It did take a while, you know. It's not the best, rust removal, but I mean, you get a whole gallon of it for like $2, and if you don't really care about the time, this only took like what, 24 hours, so it's not that bad, honestly. I mean, I wasn't gonna put the stuff on anyways in that amount of time. But check out that washer. That washer is super clean too. Jeez. I don't know where that washer came from, but it is clean. So I'm just gonna wipe these off again, and I'm gonna scrub them, some of them, and then I'm gonna dip them back in the water. I'm running out of room. There, right there. So I'm gonna scrub these off with the wire brush and see how that works. So it is working. I mean, shit is coming off of it. So I think if I scrub them a little bit, I mean, these screws, especially these, they're pretty stripped out anyways, but I just wanted to try how rusty, or how much rust that the distilled vinegar could take off. And you know what? I'm not. It did a good job, honestly. Like this one, a little scrub, 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 a little scrub, scrub, scrub. Maybe I should get rid of that. Scrub, scrub, scrub. There's another part right there. And the threads. And the threads. Way better. With a little bit of scrubbing, it took off all the rust, so I guess it was just, just covered. But all these other bullets, I don't think I'm gonna scrub them because they all look pretty good, honestly. I mean, not too bad for $2 for a gallon, right? I mean, they were all rusty before. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. If this helps you out or whatever, if you guys think about the vinegar. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna post more videos up later. I'm working on the bike and stuff, but stay tuned for later. Later, guys.